Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on Big Data on Hadoop, Module Hadoop, Section Hadoop installation, software download and verify integrity. For Hadoop installation, we need Hadoop for Linux distro and certain prerequisites to get started. Download stable Hadoop release, verify integrity of downloaded Hadoop release by PGP or MD5 hash checking. Prerequisites for Hadoop installation are operating system GNU, Linux, and it works on Windows as well. Java is required and SSH is required. SSH is required for accessing Hadoop nodes. We need GNU Linux operating system. GNU Linux is supported platform for high performance. Hadoop has been demonstrated on GNU Linux clusters with 2000 plus nodes. Windows is also a supported platform, but in most of the cases, Linux is preferred operating system. Hadoop is licensed under Apache license version 2.0. Apache and Apache Feather logo are trademarks of the Apache Software Foundation, ASF. Download a recent stable Hadoop distribution release from one of the Apache download mirrors. Java is trademark of Sun and Hadoop requires Java. It can be either Sun Java or OpenJDK. Recommended Java versions for Hadoop are at this URL. Hadoop version 2.7 and later required Java 7. Earlier versions like 2.6 and earlier support Java 6. OpenJDK is an open source implementation of Java platform. SSH must be installed and SSH daemon must be running to use the Hadoop scripts that manage remote Hadoop daemons. Localhost must be logged in without password for Hadoop to run. This is one of the mirror site for Hadoop download. You download Hadoop tar file. It is essential that you verify the integrity of the downloaded file using the PGP signature, that is AAC file, or hash, MD5 or SHA file. Download keys, PGP, MD5 signatures, hashes from the same mirror. Here we are extracting the Hadoop tar file. These are the files and folders of Hadoop folder after extraction of tar file. This is the web page of Apache Hadoop releases. We are going to use Hadoop 3.1.0 for our lab practice. We have source and binary available, and this is GPG signature, and this is SHA checksum files. Verify the integrity of the downloaded file using PGP signature, that is AAC file or hash MD5. The three supported modes for Hadoop installation are local or standalone mode. This is useful for debugging. Pseudo-Distributed Mode. This is to run each Hadoop daemon in separate Java process, useful for development. Fully distributed mode for production clusters ranging from few nodes to thousands. Let us have a demo on integrity verification. Thanks for watching.